Fox Kids is what?
Fox Kids is cool!
Skull! Do you know what those are?
Frontier Scouts out on a survival weekend?
Don't you wish? They're the space aliens!
No!
Yes!
No!
Cut it out! We gotta find Lieutenant Stone!
Can we try that bit again? Okay. Angel Grove, What's wrong? I just can't get this harmony.
It sounded good to me.
Aisha, maybe you should get another partner.
No, I've already entered our names in the contest.
Yeah, Aisha loves to write music. Both of you guys can sing. I think you guys have a great chance of winning that school song competition.
I don't know.
I'm telling you, I'm a tenor!
You guys finished with the room yet? We must rehearse.
Yes, for the big contest. And who better to represent Angel Grove than its own very junior police patrol? Hey, diaphragm.
Aisha, forget what I said. I'll work on the harmony.
Bravo, Rangers. You work on your harmony, and I'll work on creating disharmony. It's time for your sappy singing to end forever. You will make it so.
Hey, guys.
You guys buy out the mall?
Adam, if we're gonna sing in front of the school administration, we can't just wear anything.
And we didn't know what to wear, so we thought we'd buy everything.
I don't suppose this shopping spree is just a way of relieving your anxiety about performing in public, is it? No. Probably just nervous.
We are.
Don't worry, you guys will be great. Yeah, you guys don't have anything to be concerned about.
All right, bring it in. Come on, Skulovich, bring it in, man. Here you go. Hey, you got it.
Hey, Skull, we have to start singing in front of people. And these people are the perfect audience. They're young, they're hip, they're captive. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Skull and I would like to share with you a little song. This is a little ditty we like to call Angel Grove Rules. 1, 2, 3. I come on and hide that rule. No, it ain't rules. And if you break the rules, we'll like you.
This had better be good, Vile. It is my great displeasure to introduce to you a woman whose voice will soon spell the end for the Power Rangers, Dischordia.
When it comes to danger, you know I'm no stranger. And soon I'll sing the swan song of the Power Rangers. Thank you, love you.
Discordia! How well I remember your painful voice. Thank you for coming to my palace on such short notice.
I'll do anything for you, Zeddy boy! Zeddy!
With your terrible tunes, you'll be able to squelch those ranger rats once and for all. And what a beautiful noise it will be.
I won't fail ya!
I'm ready. Yeah.
Here we fly at Angel Grove High, and here we rise at Angel Grove High, and we'll take on all the limits and the obstacles of the roads ahead. The ways ahead are always, they're always bright.
What's that?
Sounds like some warp CD outside.
If that was ya, you are really gonna hate this one, huh?
It's Morphin time! Pink Ranger power! Yellow Ranger power!
Dischordia is the name, and my villainous voice is my game.
I think you should sing tenor. Yeah, 10 or 12 miles away from here.
I'll control your mind. Get into my groove, cause you're the kind that can really move. Now move! My songs are taking over your bodies. Soon I'll control your minds.
What should we do? I don't know.
Ay, ay, ay! Catherine and Aisha are under a dancing spell, Zordon.
Got to win my control.
Alpha, alert the other Rangers and teleport them to the location immediately.
Your body's on mine. You'll obey only me. My people!
Your singing's way off key, lady.
What's that? I can't hear you!
Your concert's been canceled.
Let's face some music! Now here's a little ditty that'll move ya!
Listen! What's happening?
Let's see you dance to my music! Kick it! Can this girl sing or what? Moving and a grooving!
Ay, 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 Zordon! Discordia is making the Rangers dance uncontrollably. What are we going to do?
Power twerp, get down with the beat! All right, White Ranger! Time to turn over your power coin and then your Zord!
A beautiful orchestration of pure evil. Defeating the Rangers is simple when a true master conducts the plan.
Come closer and closer!
I can't stop!
Now let's have it! The coin and the Zord!
No, you've got to fight it, Tommy.
I can't help myself. I gotta stop listening.
There! That's more like it now! Give in! Give in to me! Give in!
Ay, 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 Zordon! Tommy is about to give his power coin to Discordia.
Alpha, instruct them to use their metallic armor immediately.
Rangers, activate the metallic armor.
Gotcha.
And now, music lovers, my final number!
We've heard enough.
Metallic armor! Power up! I hate bright lights!
Go for it, Dischordia. Our armor blocks out your tinny tunes.
Yeah.
No!
Uh-oh. First of all, it's not my fault, but the Power Rangers have broken free.
They're free!
Hold the Rangers on a ballad that'll make it cry!
Why don't you cry and give up instead?
You expect me to give up? Never! Hit it! This ain't no hokey pokey! I see! Well! You've been a lovely audience, but it's time for you to go!
Missed me. Me too.
You belted out your last tune, Dischordia. Yeah!
So what do you guys know? You're just a bunch of one-hit wonders!
Your world tour is over, Dischordia. Huh.
Metallica, power down!
No, we don't want you to go away mad. Just go away.
Impossible!
Move
It
over,
can't be.
Tyler. I'll take it from here.
That's right.
Make my monster grow!
Wow! We better stop her before she serenades the whole world into oblivion. Yeah. Come on, let's go.
We need Shogun Sword power! Now!
Red Shogun Sword, power up! Blue Shogun Sword, power up! Black Shogun Sword, power up!
Yellow Shogun Sword, power up!
White Shogun Sword, power up! Glad you could make it for my big number, Power Pups!
Billy, are we ready to rock?
All systems are activated and ready.
Greetings, friends! Someone forget to invite me? Forgiven!
Do you have any requests before I destroy you?
Well, I was talking...
Too late!
Huh? Where are you?
Come on!
Not so fast! Hey, over here! Hey! Turn around and fight like a... Hey, what are you?
Need more power! The hits keep coming!
That's enough! How about the flip side?
One more time! Some show, eh?
I've seen better.
Well, I did knock you off your feet, didn't I?
I gotta get to the Falcon Sword. All right, ready? White Falcon Sword, power up! All right, Dischordia, we've heard enough. It's time to take care of business. mute button.
Right.
Oh, wow! Looks like we can use a little help. You may want to do an encore, but we've heard enough. It's time for you to hear the Power Rangers live and in concert. So listen up.
How dare you creatures insult my voice, especially before I finish the song!
And now, our greatest hit.
It can't be!
This wouldn't have happened if you hadn't been so meddlesome, Vile!
Ha! No matter! This will merely give me the impetus to launch me!
Let me guess, your master plan?
That's right. That's why I'm staying. So you will all know who is the greatest evildoer the galaxy has ever known!
Enough! Ha! Another pretender to my throne!
Well, I'd watch him.
I'll watch him, all right.
You will?
I'll watch him fair.
Jealousy, 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 driving you insane. Jealousy, 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 making you deranged.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Now that was very, energetic. All righty then, we're on to the next song contestants. Now, hoping that their duet will be the new school song, here is Aisha and Catherine singing Angel.
All right. Yeah.
Here we fly at Angel Grove High, and here we rise at Angel Grove High, and we'll take on all the limits and the obstacles of the roads ahead. The ways ahead are always, they're always bright. Angel Grove High, Angel Grove High, Angel Grove High,
Beautiful song. I seem to concur with the judges. Congratulations, girls. It's perfect for Angel Grove High.